Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this design of headband. So please endeavor to watch this video to the end and also like and comment on this video. The materials I'm going to be needing are crepe fabric. You could use your ANKARA fabric or satin fabric. I'm also going to be needing a matching color of thread and needle, Alice band, tailor's chalk, measurement tape, hot glue gun, scissors to cut, and lastly I'll be needing gum stay. So I'm going to measure and cut out the fabric. I measured and cut out 38 inches fabric. The length of the fabric is 38 inches and the width of the fabric is 8 inches. That's my 38 inches for the length and 8 inches for the width. I also measured and cut out the gum stay. The width is 3.5 inches and the length is 37 inches. I'm going to place the shiny part of the gum stay on the fabric like so. So you want to leave about 1 inch or half an inch excess on the edge of the fabric and place the gum stay same way I'm placing mine like so. Then you are going to get your iron and you iron the gum stay to the fabric like so. So I'm going to iron to the other end of the fabric like so. Then I'm going to be folding in this tip. So you want to fold in neatly and then you use your iron to iron it down. I'm also going to be folding this part of the fabric on the gum stay and I'm going to use the iron to iron that as well. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to fold in this excess fabric I have here. You want to fold that neatly and then you use your iron to give that a good press. I'll keep folding, I'll fold and then I will iron to the other tip or end of the fabric like that. I'll get my hot glue gun and I'm going to be applying the gum on here. So you don't want to apply the gum very close to the tip because we are going to be tacking that part. Then if you have your sewing machine, you may just want to take this to your sewing machine and then you stitch all the way through to the other end of the fabric. So it's this part where I'm applying my gum that you are going to be stitching. That's if you have a sewing machine and you want to stitch. But I'm going to use my gum for the sake of those that do not have a sewing machine. You just go ahead and apply your gum like that. You can also use your UHU gum or your B7000 gum to do this. Now I'm going to be folding in this tip of the fabric neatly. So you just watch closely how I'm going to be folding this. After applying my gum, I'll use my hands to fold that neatly and I will gum it down. Now I'm going to be pleating the fabric like so to create the design of the headband. Can you see? So I will fold or I will pleat like so. You want to ensure that your pleats are equal. Your pleat could be maybe 1 inch or 1.5 inch or even 2 inches. So I'm going to make about 4 to 5 pleats, and I'm going to be using my needle and my thread to tack. So you want to watch how I'm going to tack this. You are going to be tacking the plates one after the other because it may be impossible for your needle and your threads to pass through all the plates at once. So you tack 2 plates or 3 plates at a time, and once you are done, you are going to continue with the plating, and then you tack again after plating. After tacking the pleats, I'm going to arrange it like so. You don't want the pleats to be too tight, so you just loosen the thread a bit, and then you are going to tie or knot the thread and cut out the excess thread. You don't want the tip of the pleats to be too close to each other. Now I'm going to set that aside, and I will get the Alice band. I'm going to be placing the design on the Alice band, but first I will have to cover it up with fabric. So this fabric measures 3 inches for the width, and the length is 15 inches. I'm going to be needing 2 of this. I would also be needing my hot glue gun and elastic band. I'll measure and cut at 7 inches of elastic band. So you may want to skip this part, but I usually like attaching elastic to the tip of my Alice band. I'm going to apply my gum like so, and then I will place the elastic on the Alice band. Then I will fold the fabric into 2 halves, after which I'm going to apply gum. After applying the gum, I'm going to wrap the Alice band neatly. So you want to watch closely how I'm going to be wrapping this up. I'm going to be applying the gum on top of the Alice band here because I'm going to be covering this up, or this rough part I'll cover it up with the design so it's not going to be visible. Now I'll go over to the other part of the Alice band, and I will also cover that up as well with the fabric. Once I'm done wrapping the Alice band, I'm going to get the design, and I'm going to be tacking the design. I would also be needing my hot glue gun to attach the design. Then I will use my needle and my thread to do the tacking. So now I'll get the hot glue gun and I'll apply it on this part like so. Then I'll place it on the Alice band and I'll gum that down. I would also apply gum on this part as well, and then I'll place it on the Alice band and gum that down. So you want to be careful when you're applying this gum to avoid gum stains on your work. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to use my needle and my thread. Please be sure to use a matching color of thread. I'm going to be using my needle and my thread to tack this part down neatly. So I'm going to pass my needle and my thread through the tip of the design, very close to the Alice band, and then I'll take it through or pass it through the fabric I used to cover the Alice band. When I'm done tacking, I'm going to knot and cut out the excess thread with my pair of scissors. So I'll apply my gum one more time and attach this part to the Alice band. The last thing I'm going to be doing is to embellish my work. So you can either use patches, trimmings, or even stones. Now I'm going to apply my gum and I'm going to be placing them one after the other on the headband like so. If you got value from this video, please endeavor to hit that like button and also comment on this video. Then if you are yet to subscribe, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification bell to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. This is the finished look of our headband design. Thank you so much for watching this video.